Hey guys, it's the Financial here and I am back with another video. So welcome to my channel if you are new. If you like what you see here, please feel free to join this family and subscribe, and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. So today's video is going to be a how I retie my hair video. It's going to be kind of a walkthrough tutorial on how I retie my hair. Now, as you guys can see, I am rocking a fresh retie, and when I say fresh, I mean just minutes from being finished. I just finished it, and I wanted to give you guys a step-by-step on how I did this. I'm sorry in advance if the angle is a little off. I did the best I could with the angle that I was working with, but I'm gonna do my best to describe to you guys in great detail what I'm doing so that you guys could understand the process. So if that is something that you'll be interested in seeing, stay tuned. So let's get into the how-to video. Alright guys, as you can see, I have these 3 locks that are left to go, and I want to show you how I do that. So first, I'm going to separate the lock that I want to work on, and I'm going to clip the rest of the locks out of the way. And then I do recommend that if you're doing this, that you have clips that are separating your locks from the ones that you've already done from the ones that you're working on, but I didn't do that because I'm kind of used to it at this point, but that's just a good tip. So I'm just spraying my roots with water, and then I'm tucking the end of my lock, and I'm just going to insert my interlocking tool, kind of like you're threading a needle. So then once I have that all set, I'm going to go ahead and start my 4-point rotation. So first I'm going to go down, and then I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to come up, and then I'm going to go forward, and those are my 4 points. So when you hear other people interlock their hair, they refer to it as north, south, east, and west. It is the same 4 points, but in my mind, it just makes more sense because I'm going by the direction. I'm going down into the hair, back, forward, and up. So it's the same thing. But once I get it tight enough, I'm just going to go ahead and remove my interlocking tool, and that's pretty much it. This process is really simple, but it is very tedious, especially when you have a lot of locks like I do, and it takes a little time, but it's not hard to do at all. So here I am with the next lock, and I'm just going to repeat that same process. I'm going to spray it with a little water, work the water into my roots, insert my interlocking tool, and then I'm just going to go ahead with my rotation. So we're going to go down, back, up, and forward. So what I like to do when doing my interlocking process is to make sure that before I insert my interlocking tool, I put my thumb at the back of the hair where the needle is going to enter, so that way I'm making sure that I'm not going into another lock or getting hair from another lock, and then I'm making sure that I'm not combining anything. So that's a little tip for you guys. So then I'm done with that one, and I'm just going to move on to this last one here right in the front, and we're going to do the same thing once more. Now this one is one of my baby locks, which I have to definitely be careful with because it is one of the most sensitive parts of my head. So I have to make sure that when I'm doing these that I don't go too tight or go too rough when doing them, because I don't want these to come off at all. So we're just going to go ahead and repeat that same process of doing the 4-point rotation until this one is complete. Alright guys, that's all I have for today's video. If you're loving the fresh retie look, if you have any other questions about the retie or questions in general, leave them down for me in the comment section below and I'll be sure to answer those for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.